7, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River.
Ang video ito ay plucking tutorial ng kanta ni John Denver, ang Country Roads Take Me Home. Pagdating sa intro, ang intro ay G, 4 na G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 7. Pagdating sa plucking, simpleng string sequence muna tayo. Bass, 3, 2, bass, 3, 2. Bali, ang bass natin ay alternate. Kung sa G, ang bass ay 6 and 4. Pwede mong tanggalin yung nasa 5th string kasi hindi na gagamitin. Okay? Bass 3, 2, bass 3, 2. Kung gagawin natin, ngayon kung ayaw nyo yung tatlong string na intro gaya ng pwede nyo gawin ng mas kompleto. Gaya nito. Madali lang gawin yun. Tugtugin natin ang unang verse galing sa intro.
Almost 7, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze, growing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, all my memories. Country roads, I hear her voice in the morning as she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. And driving down the road I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country road.
Para sa mga gusto ay strumming lang. Ang strumming pattern ay 3 bilang. Isang down, up, at saka down. Ang tamang kumpas ay ganito.